For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I turn my flat straight hair into this voluminous wavy bombshell look. I love this look because it can be done on clean hair or dirty hair. It's easy, long-lasting, and takes me around half an hour to do. Starting off with your favorite heat protectant, feel free to use your own similar products, but for anyone looking for the exact products that I'm using, you can find all the links in the description box down below. For this look, I'll be using a 1/2 inch curling wand, and I'm going to wrap my hair around the wand by twisting the strand as I'm doing so it's not laying flat on the curling iron. I hold this for around 10 to 15 seconds depending on how big of a section I grab, and that gives you this cute little wave. Here's a comparison of what the strand looks like when you lay it flat on the iron compared to twisting it before you roll it on. This method will give you more of a rounded curl, which is not the look we're going for. So I'm just going to continue with the twist method throughout my entire head, alternating between the directions of the curls to make sure that they're not sticking together. Now that all the strands have been curled, make sure you let them cool down before brushing them out. I like to use my fingers because a brush will make the curls look way too big and frizzy. Be gentle and slow with it and brush them out until you're happy with the volume. Now I'm taking a wax and just controlling my front baby hairs to create more of a polished look. Then I'm taking my Moxie magnifying mousse. I also really like the Got To Be Kinkier curling mousse as well, but any mousse will do. And I just scrunch the waves to make them look more separated and to control the frizz. Don't be scared to use a lot of mousse. Then I'm just topping it off with my Glossy Shine Mist for that extra sheen. And of course my Flexi Hold hairspray to really lock in that shape for the whole day. And you're done! I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, be sure to let me know by giving me a thumbs up and by tapping the subscribe button.